Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I wanted to ask Sushant. So I asked Sushant, do you want to connect? And the first card that came into my hand was Justice. And then there are the cards. There is Queen of Wands there. The cards that I got had Queen of Wands. So that is why I know that Sushant wants to connect. Before I begin the video, I want to just clarify certain things to you guys. And it is not that I'm giving any clarification, but I'm sure that Sushant wants more people to know the truth and connect with him, and that's why probably this is one thing that he wants me to clarify. So the cards that I have, before I interpret them, I want to tell you guys that there are never any advertisements on my videos with regards to Sushant. So, and you earn from YouTube only when you put advertisements there. So there is no ad. You will never see any ad on any video related to Sushant, and that's because there's no earning that I'm raising from it. So this is not to raise money, just to let you know guys. And second, because some of you probably are not aware. Second, whenever I make video, Queen of Wands is somebody who will come every time out, and I ask him every day. So I ask him every day when I make a video, or not make a video. This is my routine. I ask him every day almost, do you want to connect? Give me Queen of Wands. And it doesn't come every day. It does come only when he really wants to connect. And this, if you can see from my all my videos from 28th of July, and you will see in all videos, it is only when Queen of Wands come is when I make the video, and it is right in front of you. Anyways, so I have divided these cards into, I don't know, I was guided to divide these cards into 3 sets, and there is two, two, and 1. And I feel that this person that we've always been speaking about, I've always been speaking about, the Page of Wands, that person has reached the agencies with the information. So there was an information that was given to somebody, and Sushant probably gave this information to somebody and made that person kind of run out or go out with that information, so that the information doesn't reach to the wrong people or is not taken out. So somebody has taken some information out from where Sushant was and when everything was about to happen. And when that information was taken out, this person was actually hiding his face. This person was hiding somewhere. If you see this card, this person is hiding. So this person was hiding somewhere, and now this person has reached the agencies, because if you see these cards, there is Page of Wands, there is Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is a card that also shows at times the defense, or the people who are working with defense, because this person in the Knight of Wands is actually wearing a war suit. So he's actually wearing a war dress, and that's why it kind of represent the agencies also. And this Page of Wands has reached the agencies, and the information has reached the right people, and there is a card of Justice there. So I hope and feel that the information has actually reached the right people and is actually there. Another thing that I wanted to tell you is that last time when I did the video, he said that some communication is going to come from CBI, and it will be an official communication. And I got some messages where CBI office caught fire, and this was all of a sudden that happened, and it was an official communication where they kind of said that something that it was on fire and the basement was on fire or something like that. Now I don't know what is the relation that has with Sushant's case, but there is some relation there, because probably that was something that he was mentioning before, and I hope some relation will come out very, very soon. Anything else that Sushant wants to say? I got the card of 10 of Cups, and with 10 of Cups there is a card of Page of Wands there. So the person who, I've always said that the person who was family involved in all of this, knew everything, will come out and say the things to the government or to the right people or to the authorities, and that is what is happening right now. So the 10, the home, the number 10, the significance of 10 is also going to come out very, very soon, because 10 is related to the house there. Anything else that you, and I wanted to ask Sushant if he wants to give permission, because there were some questions that I wanted to ask him, some very, very specific questions that all of you guys have in your mind. And the card that came is 8 of Wands. This is a card of communication. This is the card of talking about things, saying things. And at the same time, the card in the end of the deck is the Moon card, and Moon card is going beyond illusions. If you see, there is a wolf and a dog, and there is something that is a crab that is coming out of water. So information coming out, there are alarms being raised, but but at the same time the illusion is being cleared. So he's given the permission to clear the illusions, and that is why I'm going to ask certain questions. Before I ask those questions, I want to just let you guys know that I am not asking questions because I want to comment about somebody or say something about somebody. That's not something that I would ever do, but because a lot of confusions are being created and you guys are really confused, Sushant does give me these questions in my mind, or my guides do give me these questions in my mind to ask, because that are just to clarify the confusions or the thoughts that you have in your mind, and that is why I'm going to ask these specific questions. Now the first question that I asked him was, Sushant, are you an agent? So I wanted, because I know he's there, so I didn't want to say that were you an agent, and he did give me a card which said that change the direction. So he wanted me to ask a question in a different way, and probably also wanted to say that the direction has already been changed. Whatever was happening has already been changed. So I really wanted to ask him the question directly. Another thing that I would want to tell you is, with these cards you can read the messages, so I'm not interpreting them, you can read the messages for yourself. So I asked him, I asked Sushant, are you were you an agent, or were you working as an agent with the government, or you were working on certain things with the government? So was there anything that you were working on? So the card that I got basically was success. And success, yes, whatever he was working upon, he wanted to say that that was successful, that was completed successfully, the task was completed successfully, and yes, he was on a certain task there. So the task was completed successfully. So I wanted to tell him that, do you want to answer this question? Do you want to answer us or let us know about more about this, like him being agent or working with government? The answer was yes, because he wanted to give us some more clarification or give some more answers. So that's why I kind of shuffled again. He really wanted to give some more clarifications or let us know certain more things. So I asked again, Sushant, were you working with the government? So just the question, the way I was asking the question, I just changed that question. Were you working with the government upon certain things? Were you working with the government upon certain things? Please answer if you were working with government upon certain things. The cards that I got were opportunity, and the second card said take action. So yes, he was working with the government upon certain things, or he was working with some kind of agencies on certain thing. And what were he working upon was clearly related to money, or probably money laundering, because if you see, there is a money that is coming that is falling from the sky. So he was working upon certain things which were directly related to money, how that money was used, how things were used, how things were happening. So there was something, some bigger purpose that he was working upon. And there is a card of take action. So he was taking an action with regards to that flow that was happening of money, of opportunities, and how that was happening, or how things were working out. He wanted to figure out all of that thing, and that is where his part or his role as a person or in the industry that came in. So he was working through opportunities and with things related to money, or probably money laundering. Yes, he was working with government in a certain way, but he didn't answer that he was working as an agent or not. And I asked again. So I asked him again that do you not want to give that answer? And the card said yes. So he didn't want to give that answer very clearly, but the way the cards are, to an extent I am clear that he was working with the government upon certain things. There were certain things that were happening under the under the rug, but he was not an agent. He was not an agent of the government, and if saying that he was an agent is not the right thing. So he was not working an agent. And he was definitely working upon something that's there. He was related to government, that's there, but not as an agent. So that's something that I could clearly say. Now another thing that I wanted to ask is, there is this thing that is said that Sushant was working as an agent and somebody was ahead of Sushant. And I'm here not to say things that were right or wrong, but I just wanted to clarify that, and for you guys, because I'm receiving a lot of messages from you guys, I wanted to clarify that is that information that is flowing, that Sushant was an agent and somebody was head of Sushant, and that's how they were working. Is this information correct? Should we believe this information? Is this information correct? Sushant, please let us know if this information is correct and we should believe this information. were you working as an agent with somebody as your head? Now the cards that fell out, the first card that turned around that I could see was a clear card of saying no. So that information that is flowing is definitely not correct, and I'm going to take out all the cards and read them out to you, which are upright. So I'm going to take out cards that are not upright away, and I'm going to read the upright cards because I think that they have answers and information for you guys. It says no need to worry, it's up to you. Improving health, the situation will improve, unlikely. So maybe I think all these cards have particular messages for you guys, and I'm going to kind of read these cards as these cards came, and probably they will give you all the answers that you need to know. So the first card is no, which said which is for if he was an agent and he was working under somebody as a head. So the card is saying no. And another thing that this situation had created was that he's captive and there is so much to worry about, and he's not in good circumstances. The card says no need to worry, and I'm not interpreting, guys, these cards have words and you can read it for yourself. It says no need to worry. Then the card is it's up to you. So it is definitely up to you to understand, believe or not to believe, or choose who to believe and how to believe things. But definitely it is up to you to understand and believe and not to believe. The card is of improving health, and definitely his health is improving. He is into a situation where the health is becoming better. The situation is also improving, and this card says the situation will improve. So definitely the situation will improve further and the things will happen further. But for him coming back as Sushant, the card is saying unlikely. But while it is saying unlikely, I have a very strong intuition that it is going to happen, and the card is saying perfect timing. So when the timing is perfect, it will happen. The card is saying don't stop. So we don't have to stop fighting for the justice. We don't have to stop fighting for the things that we are fighting. And then there is a card that says communicate clearly. So the clear communication is going to come, and we need to communicate clearly. There is a card of compromise, which is justice. So definitely justice will happen. Yes, the justice will happen. There is no way where the justice will be denied. We need to take action. We need to keep moving forward. And then the card says you are ready if you believe. And the last three cards that I took were you are ready if you believe, and opportunity is there. And then what happened is suddenly that opportunity card jumped off, and it jumped off because I was actually thinking what kind of opportunity, how do I interpret this. So the card actually jumped off, and this says basically you are ready and things are about to happen. So Sushant also indicated that CBI information from CBI will come out, and yes, there was a fire that's there, but there is a clear communication that should come out about Sushant. So when will the clear communication, or will the clear communication come out? And the card that came is door to personal healing and happiness. If you see, there is a door that is opening up, and there is greenery behind that door. There is also a dove, or so basically dove is a sign of message, because they are usually messengers, pigeons or dove. And this basically says that definitely some kind of information is going to come out. Some things are going to come out, and we still will get that information from CBI, where things will open up, and it's probably already happening. It's already happening. The second card that came out is community, and if you see, there are three people in this card, and they are actually together and kind of either working on something or celebrating something. There are three agencies on the face of it that we think that we know that are working, and they are actually working combinedly. They are working together with each other, and that's where the information is going to come out. And if you see, both the cards are number 7. The first card that came was number 34, which is 7, and this is again 7. So I am hopeful that something will happen definitely in July. Definitely some information will come out from CBI, or probably somebody above CBI. So Sushant, do you want to clarify where the information is going to come from? Is the information going to come from CBI or somebody else, or some higher authority? And the cards that came out is the card of appreciation. There is a card of second chakra. There is a card of journey, and there is a card of goddess of moon. So basically all these cards together show that first of all, because there is a card of fire, and the CBI office caught fire just a while ago. ago. So it feels like just a few days ago. So it feels like yes, it is coming from the CBI. There is definitely a new journey, and when I was interpreting, Sushant gave me that thing that he's already setting his new journey, and the moment Sushant sets up his new journey, that's when the information is going to come out. And it's very very close, because the goddess of the moon card, where the light is going to come out and the shadow is going to get off, is card number 52, and it's again number 7. So hopefully in the month of July the information is going to come out. And the last card, that is appreciation, we are definitely going to appreciate them, and that's like a queen like energy of appreciation card. So definitely something is going to come out from hopefully from CBI, and even the authorities higher up from there. There is the clarity that's going to come. There is the information or the truth that is going to come, and these things are going to get clearer very very soon. So I thought that we had asked all the questions, so I was keeping away the phone, the cards, but then he definitely wanted to clarify one more thing, and he made me pick up the cards again. So I asked if Sushant is there, like what happened, what he want to say about being alive or dead. And there's a card, the cards that came, first card is the card of deceit, and it's again number 7, 25 number card number 7. First card is the card of deceit, and that card clearly says that there was some kind of deceit, some kind of thing that was revolving around money, and somebody definitely deceived him in a big way, because of money, because of power, because of hatred, because of jealousy, whatever the things were, he was being deceived. But then the second card is angel of balance, and definitely something was there which saved him. Something was kept in perfect balance. If you see in this card, the angel is holding a glass thing where there is some water that is kept, and it is actually held in a very very balanced way to keep it safe. So something happened where that balance happened, or where he was kept safe. And if you see, there are pyramids, there is moon, so there is a lot of balance and positivity in this card. And the last card that is there is walking away, and that card again clearly shows that he basically walked away from that whole situation. The new gate opened, or a new journey kind of begin. So and if you see, there's this person seems like a yogi, because there's a big like a tika on her forehead. So definitely that journey was there. And I asked Sushant again that what he would want to say about being alive, or what condition he was in, what happened that day. And there is a card of 9 of swords and 10 of swords, and definitely there was so much of sleeplessness, there was so much of fight or worry or anxiety. But then 10 of swords is the card which is the card that came as the first card when I did his first reading on 28th of July 2020. That's when this first card came, and that is where I said that he's being backstabbed. But if you see, there's a new sun rising in that card, and definitely he's healing, or definitely things are becoming better for him, or there's a new sun rising. So that's definitely there. I also asked him what situation is he in right now, otherwise health wise, or otherwise what is the situation that he's in. And somewhere I was guided not to pick up these cards, but to pick the other set of cards. And I did pick up the other set of cards after shuffling, because I was not getting the answer from that. And at times this happens. So Sushant, what condition are you in right now? There's a card that jumped out. It is the card of strategy basically. And the strategy card, if you see this card, there is definitely scrolls, there is time, there are coins, and there is a strategy that is being prepared on to how things are going to work now. There is also a key that's already into the keyhole, so the lock is already opened. So wherever he is, and I have this download or this intuition that's working in me from a while now. And this is card number 21. So it is working in me I'm getting this intuition that the things are being strategized, if there is a possibility of him coming back as him, Sushant Singh Rajput. And I have some intuition that probably that thing will work out, and that's what the strategy has been planning, been doing, right now, that's what is being planned. And this is definitely not captivity. This is definitely not a situation where he's captive or he's held somewhere. this is definitely a situation which is much far positive, and where the timings are being decided about strategy or planned. And I asked a question about his health, and the card that I got is Healer of the Ages, and that's like most beautiful card to get, Healer of the Ages, because that card clearly signifies that he's healing. There is health improvement or a healing that is happening for him. This card is a card of health and vitality. This card says that there is on deepest level there is healing that is taking place, and this card very clearly says that there is a miraculous transformation whenever he needs vitality, whenever he needs balance and renewal, and that renewal is happening for his health. So there is definitely healing that is happening for him, and this deck doesn't have many cards about healing or health. So this is very beautiful. I asked whether we'll get him as Sushant Singh Rajput, as will he come back as Sushant Singh Rajput, and I got cards in 2 different sets, and I kept it like that. The first card that I got is Yin and Yang, card number 22, and that card somewhere clearly states that if there is a balance, if there is situations that happen in balance, and there is certain balance that is being tried to be pulled, if that balance is pulled, then definitely there is a chance of him coming back as Sushant Singh Rajput. And the caring connections cards show connections which are loving connections, which are based upon love, which are based upon, it's not really family, but it is people who are very close, and there is a possibility where to start with people who are lovingly from heart very close to him would know if that balance is being pulled off, that Sushant is back and Sushant is there. And it's number 14 card and number 22 card, and this is not necessarily, because I've already said that people like family or family are involved already in this whole situation, but this is the connections of heart. This clearly are the connections which are made from the heart, and that balance is pulled out, then this will happen. The other set of card that I got is, first is Storm Warning. This is number 10 card, and if at all this number 10 happens, this whole situation, this whole storm is cleared. As soon as it is cleared, the card is Magician and the mirror. So definitely the magic will be created. And if you see the last card, it's a card woman holding a coin, and if you see, this card has this black cat, and Queen of Wands is being represented by a black cat or with a black cat, and money definitely has been played a big time in this whole situation. But the way the cards are saying that there is a magic that is happening, there is a mirror that is being created, and mirror shows us the reality, right? Mirror shows us our shadow self. So if this storm, as soon as this number 10 happens, this storm passes away, the Magician is going to come out, and probably that's going to bring out the Queen of Wands as well. And another thing that I would say with this is that originally when I spoke about his rebirth, he did mention that he's going to come to Queen of Wands, and that's how, even if he comes back with a different identity, or even if he comes back as Sushant Singh Rajput, there is a very strong relevance that Queen of Wands is going to be with that, and you will realize that it's Queen of Wands, because he's going to come through or with or around Queen of Wands, however he comes back. Now there was a certain download that I received, and before I say that, I would just let you know the meaning of this card from the book as well, which is the Magician and the Mirror. And this card basically says knowing and using your true power. So somewhere it feels like he's definitely going to use his true power. This definitely says that claim your power, and the mist of the future will clear in the brilliant reality, into a brilliant reality, and probably that's the reality that we are looking for at this point in time. And this Magician is going to, like Sushant, is going to bring in that reality. So whatever has not happened until now, the world's response definitely is going to be very different, and we'll see his true power. Now I just had a certain download of things that happened, or how things happened on 13th and 14th, and probably this is something that nobody probably would have spoke about until now, and I wanted to ask if I'm allowed to share that download, and I wanted to ask Sushant and take his permission for that. So the two cards that I saw that came up first was the third chakra, and the second card that was end of the deck was all tied up. So you know, somewhere I felt that third chakra is number 10, because it's 37. So and then there was 5 and 10. So basically I felt that this is a permission, because this kind of says that there is the tied up thing has to be released now. But I still wanted to ask again, once again, that if I'm allowed. And I got the card which said don't stop. So definitely I won't stop. I will definitely share with you guys the download that I had, and how things actually happened on 13th and 14th, or what actually happened on 13th or 14th. So I got this download where the things that happened, actually they happened on the 13th night. So whatever torture was given to Sushant, and whatever was happening with Sushant, all of that happened on 13th night. And the person that we saw in the videos on the 14th, it was not Sushant. The body that we saw, it was not Sushant. The body that was carried out of the flat, it was not Sushant at all. Sushant had been taken away only on the 30th. On the 13th, Sushant was already taken away. And another possibility, another thing that I got as a download was that he was taken away to somebody's, and there is a reference to number 10 here. He was taken away to somebody's house or somebody's place, or from there he was taken away to the hospital, because they didn't want to kill him originally. And he was in such a bad shape that they couldn't keep him like that since morning, otherwise he wouldn't have been saved. So he was definitely taken away on 13th. And this whole scene, or this whole situation that happened, that did not also happen in the flat. It happened somewhere else. Now the people who were on the flat, and people who've said all those stories that they saw him hanging and all of that, they were actually connected with this whole so with the culprits. So with this whole people who pulled out this whole drama. Because if you remember, when you saw Sushant, when you saw that video of Sushant, there are two parts of that. First is the pictures, for the photographs, where he's lying on the bed and you see his one eye closed and you see his face and in a certain way. That's the picture where there's nobody around. It's only him on the bed, and you can't see any person around. That sheet that was on him as is actually under him. That's the picture. And then the videos that came, they did not have his face at all. So the finger that got moved and all of that, it was all intentional. And that body was not Sushant. Sushant was already out of there. Now who took Sushant away? There are theories about people saved him, or he was being saved, or he was being captive. He was taken to captivity. He was taken away by criminals. He was taken away by the wrong people who wanted to keep his body alive, because he was very, very sharp. He was very intelligent. His projects could not be opened. His projects could not be moved forward. Nothing could have been done without his body being there, without him being alive there. And that is why I always got this message that he's kept on something, and there is a body that is there. And people kept asking me that, you know, how is his body safe, because it will decay. But because you know, when you put somebody on ventilator or something like that, on a machinery, you can keep the body alive. But we already know that there's black magic and all of those things were there. So his soul was kept away from him, but his body was definitely functional, as in they could use the body the way they had to. And around September or around December, if you go back, if you search, I had made 2 videos where I said that his body is out, something is happening, he's very restless, please pray for him. That was the time when he was trying to get back to his body, but because of all those you know, black magic and all of those things, he could not get back to his body. But around March, I feel that is when, March or April, when he actually could get back to his body. But he was pretending not be alive. He was pretending that he was not alive, but he was rescued. Okay, so be rest assured that he was rescued. He was rescued by the right people in the right way. He's with the right people. He is definitely healing right now. And all those people who've done all of these things where he was kept in captivity and all of that, they are all going haywire right now, because they are all into this mess now. They know that he's been taken out. Now I also got some questions in my mind while telling you this story, and I'm going to ask, or while telling you this download, and I'm going to ask these questions again. But it feels that somebody from he actually shared some information with somebody, and that led to this whole of thing, the whole thing happening. And also I very strongly know that got the download that now Sushant is fine, Sushant is safe, and hopefully Fudge is also with him. The thing why there was a gap in this body, the second body reaching the hospital, was because there was, if you remember, there was a makeup man also, because they wanted to make this body look alike, similar to Sushant. And that's when that gap happened, because they had to prepare this look alike to look exactly like Sushant, and there was makeup and there was all those things that were done which had to look original, and there was that's why there was this gap that was there in between. But he was never taken or rescued at that point in time, but yes, he was taken away to captivity at that point in time. But right now he's healthy, he's fine. Yes, there are some people who are still keeping an eye on him, and he cannot do a lot of activity or a lot of things, so he's healing, he's into that improvement. But the project that he had, the things that he was working upon, that definitely were successful. That's why we got the card of success, and that definitely happened. So this is part of the download that I'm sharing right now, and hopefully there will be more things that will come and I will share with you guys. Also, I'm getting back to the same question, the same situation where somebody is saying that that person was handling and somebody knew. So I want to know, can we believe, like, should we completely ignore that information, or should we take that information? Is there something relevant that that person is saying, and that in that information, though we know that he was not an agent and there was nobody who was the head of him and all of that, that story is not true, but still there is so much of information coming out from that person. So should we take that information? Is that information useful? And I got the card of temperance. Temperance is a card of balance, and definitely there are some things in that information that are useful, that's true, that are there to bring in the reality. So definitely partially we can believe. Some things that she's saying are correct, something that are being said are correct. If you see, there is water, there's land, so definitely there is a balance, there is something, that information or emotions that are being tried to be pulled, but there is a sun rising, so definitely there will be things that will come out, will be right ultimately. And did you share anybody in the family, or like family, did you share with anybody that you are into this? And the card that I got is Death, and Ace of Wands is there. So definitely yes, he shared with somebody, and that is what led to his death. That is what led to him leaving this world. Because and I would want to take out one more card just to clarify this. I wanted to ask him if he wants me to share some download that I have, and the card is Birthing a New Age. So Birthing a New Age is a card of a yes, so probably I will share this with you guys. So yes, he shared something with a person in his family, somebody who's, so basically who's Queen of Wands, basically who's the person who's behind all of this. And when he shared, he didn't know that this person is Queen of Wands, and he did share about the information he's getting and the things that are happening, and that is what led to his death. That is where, because he didn't know it, but that is where, and death as in he's not dead, his body was kept safe, his body was kept somewhere, and I've already said that what all happened. But that is what led to this whole situation, the torture and everything, because he didn't know that that person is involved into all of this, or rather this person is actually on the top game of all of this. And as soon as he shared it with her, the information flew to everyone else, and that is when this whole thing was planned. And like I said, that because this was planned suddenly, but some things they were planning to do, and they had already created how the story will go and how the narrative will be set, is why certain information flew into certain way. But definitely yes, somebody knew, and that somebody who knew is the Queen of Wands. And you will very very soon see, because there is already that series that is already happening, which is very very family supportive. You will very very soon see from there the whole information coming out as to who this person was, because Queen of Wands is somebody who knew this, and you will know this very very soon. The cards that I have again, now if you see, there is the Magician. So Magician, definitely there was some some resources, some magic that was created. There is a card of new journey, there is a card of creating illusions, and then there is a card of communications flying out. There is Queen of Cups that is there, there is a female that's there, and there is an emotional message or emotional journey that is set up for you guys already, so that you guys get into illusions. Lot of money, lot of things are still being flowing to get you guys into that unclarity and emotions. And you know, to an extent I already have a download as to who this person is, but I'm not allowed to completely share the names or say the names, but I can say that this person is somebody who's completely who's saying that, who's staying away from all of this, or she's been staying away from all of this from a while. And but basically what she's trying to do is trying to work out on finding where he is actually, because now she knows that the whole truth is going to come out. Wherever he is, he's safe, and the information is safe, and as soon as the information comes out, the whole truth is also going to come out. And that's why an emotional play cards are being played now, and they will be played on further. So you will see some emotions kind of you know, played with, and that's when even before this comes out. And the card that went down the deck, I took that card up at the end, and it was Three of Pentacle. Three of Pentacle, where a story is being created, but ultimately we'll have to stay our ground, and we will definitely win this whole situation. The truth definitely is going to come out. I asked him whether there will be justice. The cards that came, yes, there is something that is going to come out of the out from divine. Basically, I always say divine hand is going to give something, and that is going to be the new sunrise. That's where the people who are meant to be in the jail, in the actual people who are meant to be kept kind of tied up, will be tied up, will be in jail, and there will be new sun that will rise, and there will be a new beginning that will happen undoubtedly with this whole situation. And we need to keep on working on these things. Undoubtedly we need to keep on working on this, and definitely there is a lot of heartbreak, though that is there, but I still have the card of number 7 standing the ground, and the illusions will be cleared very soon. See if he wants to give any message from surrender cards. So Sushant, what is the message that you want to give? What is the message that you have from these cards for us? And the two messages that came out, first message is surrender the drama, and this card says no matter how much emotionally charged the situation is, don't participate in the emotional drama. Keep your mind away, keep your thoughts away, keep yourself away from all the drama, and the situations will get charged up, the drama will happen. And the second card is surrender to the support and love. And yes, there will be support and love, there will be things, positive things that will happen, there will be positive situations that will come. So you will have to surrender to support and love, and you will have to surrender not participating in the drama. Don't stay away from all the negativity, stay away from all the negative thinking, stay away from all the negative situations that will come. Don't be defensive, let things flow, and ultimately let go of the fear of change, because the change is going to happen. It is inevitable, the change is going to happen, and we don't have to be afraid of that change. I always look for one card from this deck, which is the miracle card, but that doesn't come quite often. So anyways, I think these are the messages that these surrender cards have. And in the end, I have also taken out one message for you guys, specifically for you guys. But before I do that, I asked Sushant if there is any other message that he has. So if there is any other message that I should share with you guys, and the cards that I got are Take a Break, Creating Heaven on Earth, and Pillars of Light. So basically this card says that a life's work, not a season. Get off the treadmill, and probably that is what he's also doing. He's a little off because he's healing at this point in time, but we will also get a time where we'll be able to get off this treadmill that we've been on. The second card is Creating Heaven on Earth. It's happening, and definitely that's what he's trying to do. He's trying to create heaven on earth, where all these negativity, all these cleanup that is needed happens. And the last card is Pillars of Light. It says your vibration is rising, you are the oracle. And absolutely we all are the oracles. We are all raising our vibrations, and as and when our vibration rise, the things will change for everyone, things will change for all of us. And that's what very clearly he's indicating. He's definitely connecting with all of us. there is a there is definitely a communication also that is going to come to all of us. There is a card of 10 of wands again, so there is number 10 that's there, and this is reaching the completion, almost reaching the goal, and the pentacle is in the hand finally. So definitely there are things that are going to happen where finally the things are going to happen, and there is king of wands again. So yes, we will see things happening very, very soon. So I'm hopeful that things will come out very, very soon. And when I was saying this, the cards that came out, that they came out like a story, and they came out in two sets. So the one set is similar to what came out earlier when we asked about justice and when we asked about things coming out, and the second card is which has 1, 2 and 3 of wands. So definitely the information has started to come out. There are options, there are things that are going to be seen. This is the card which is of ships coming in, and I remember this card has been coming always, where he's kept and all of that. And this is a card of healing, this is the card of finding the light, or taking the help from divine. And this is the card of people, the wrong people getting caught. And again, this story that is coming up again, I didn't read it completely, because this basically meant that the person who's there, who's pretending to not be there, or who's pretending to be very, very balanced, is the person who's queen of wands, and she's going to come out very, very soon. Again, there are two number 7 cards, 7 of swords and 7 of pentacles. Number 7 is the number of this month, July. So I am really, really hopeful that something has already happened on 7th of July, which we are not aware of right now, but something is going to happen very, very soon. On July month is going to bring in some clarity. And when I shuffled this card, I had this message from him to take out these cards and give you certain messages from these cards. So I did shuffle these cards. Cards that came out in two sets. So I picked up first set, and then I will pick up the second one. The first card is opening to love, and the second card was simplifying your life. And if you see the second card, there is a person who's cleaning all the mess that has been created, and definitely he was part of cleanup, which he successfully did. And this card says, I cherish the simple pleasures of life, and the card says, my heart is open. So definitely his heart is open now, and the card is standing firm. The cards that came on the other side, they were standing firm, they were fresh and soaring into joy. So definitely these cards are very clear that there is noble, brave and strong. So that's standing firm. The card is the wonderful, the second card says a wonderful new beginning, and then the childlike wonder fills my life. So definitely there are cards of positivity, there are cards of definitely being positive, standing firm on the ground and getting the messages loud and clear. So these cards are there, and definitely letting go of and putting limits, setting limits is very, very important with this card. So setting up limit, I just want to tell you guys that I'm getting a lot of messages that I'm doing this for money. I'm not earning even one penny in name of Sushant, and I will never do that, never ever. You will never see advertisements on my videos related to Sushant. And second, I'm not saying it to clarify this to anybody. I'm just saying it because Sushant wants people to understand this, so that people understand that these are the messages that are coming from him clearly. And some people are definitely misguided, completely misguided, to not believe the right messages or not believe the right information that is coming from Sushant, and that's why he indicated me to share this with you guys. So I just be rest assured that it is just for Sushant and for nothing else. There is no other intention behind this. Before I wrap up, I wanted to take out one card for you, the message for you guys that Sushant has. So any specific message that Sushant has for you, and he wants you to know. So the message for the people who love Sushant so much, the people who are fighting for his justice, the people who are always with him. And the card is very, very beautiful. It's a card of man holding a heart. This is the card where a person who's dealing with family, love and emotions, and this is the card where it says that there could be more balanced approach to family at love in this time, even if these have been confusing experiences for you in the past. And definitely these experiences were confusing for him in the past, but now he has the high intention to help with the projects, with family, with home, and with other issues that are there. And definitely this card signals a presence of him in our life. So he's definitely thoughtful, he's aware, he's present, he's there, he has a balanced approach. And because he had very confusing experiences with love or with relationships, this is the time where he's getting greater clarity about emotions and purpose, the purpose of emotions in his life. And he wants you also to understand that he's holding his hand in holding his heart in his hand. And there is clearer emotions that he feels all the love that you guys kind of shower on him. And he feels all the affection, all the love, all the care that's coming to him. So definitely that's there. And I was about to pick up the I was about to close, and I saw the card that kind of fell out in the beginning, and this in the middle of the video, and this card is Three of Pentacles. I did cover it then also, that this is the card of Three of Pentacles. This is the card of creating or recreating the things again, recreating the story again. So just be rest assured that everything is going to happen in a positive way. Thank you so much. All the very best. Bye bye. Thank you.